Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download the Google Play Store on your Windows computer. Let's get right into it. The first step is to open your browser and go to BlueStacks.com. Don't worry, downloading BlueStacks is completely free and safe. I have also put the link in the description box below for easy access. Here on the website, we click on Download BlueStacks 5. Once the download is finished, I'll open the downloaded file from Downloads folder. You might find it in a different location depending on your browser settings. Let's click on it and click Install Now. The installation might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is completed, BlueStacks will open up automatically. Now, click on the Play Store icon right here. This is the same Google Play Store you are familiar with from your Android phone. To access all the apps, you will need to sign in with your Google account. You can create a new one or use an existing account. I will go ahead and sign in. Once we are logged in, let's head over to the search bar. Here you can search for any app or game. For this demo, let's search for Among Us. And just like that, you can install Among Us or any other app and enjoy it on your computer. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.